Yo, what's good, people? Check it out, right? 16 to 31 series, installment 19. I love it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey yo, Uno on the arm, spit like a bomb. Word to my mom, set off car alarms. It's global ambition from here to Saigon. Niggas smoke green, burn like Amazon. Catch me in the hood, sunbathing on your favorite lawn. Superman, but been through hell like Spawn. Probably catch a girl in my DM talking about let's get it on. Because I'm a writer, not a ride along. Kill niggas with ink and stack the same paper I write it on. I probably got a trident on, write it wrong. I'm a freak, show my slong, and show fake niggas the gone. Bugs Bunny for the 9. Yeah. Fuck it, we gonna go over. I made this, by the way. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah. 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 Bugs Bunny for the 9. I get my pitching on. Funny how I'm the only rapper, but you niggas getting sing-along. Sit you and your mans down, you gonna have a sing-along. Probably. Yo, fuck with me. Installment 19.